Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBL Designing Developer. Today I will show you how to build one arts and culture of Google in Java. And I hope you will be also enjoying this video and this project also which I am just doing today, and I hope you are just enjoying my previous Java series also which we have just covered up. Like previously on we have just covered up many of the projects related to Java, and I hope you all enjoy that all project which we have just made, and I hope you learned more than enough things from that, and I hope all the doubts related to Java is clear to you, because when I was starting the Java series, so many people comments about Java, like what things will be in it and what are the main codes of Java. So I'm telling you all the things in this projects, and in future I'll be also uploading the tutorial of Java which will be really helpful for you, and it will be especially helpful for beginners if they want to learn full tutorial like start to end, they can learn whole things in that. And after this Java, you can also check my all previous courses of like Python, Django, which I have just made, and then you can also check my previous Python videos which I have just made, and you can check my all the other stuff of like HTML, CSS, and React also which we are covering up. So React will be just coming like in 1 to 2 weeks like that, because in that I will be making only a one like long video in which we will be covering up one of the website or one of the blog. So React will be not any of like finish, we will be just covering up one more project of that in the future, which should be really helpful for you. Like previously we have covered a website in React.js, and I hope you enjoy that, and many of the clothes also I have just uploaded it. And you can also check my React course and Java script course on my channel. I have uploaded, because that is also really helpful for beginners if they want to learn become full stack developer of these languages. So just now we'll be starting with our project, but before that you have to also hit and you have to also hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks. So now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be building one Google Arts and Culture projects in Java. It should be really helpful for beginners if they want to learn. So this is the intermediate projects. If you want to learn beginners project, which I have covered in previous video, you can check that out on my previous video of beginners. I have just covered up all my beginners projects. You can check that out. Then you can move to intermediate. But if you are intermediate or advanced level Java like developer, so you can check my all intermediate and advanced courses. So here now I will be just opening my VS Code here, in which I will be writing my all the code. So just write VS Code and then open that here. So just I have opened my VS Code. You can see that it will be taking some time to just open here, because it is just a large file, or you can say too large here on our disk. So it will be take some time here. You can see it has been just opened. I will be doing one thing. I will be closing these all things. Here I will be doing one thing. I will be going to file and pressing new file. Here I will be just saving this file with the name of Java. So here I will be just writing any of the name. So .js is very important to write after when you are saving any of the file. Here I will be writing image.js here, so I can just save this file in Java, and I'll be saving local disk app, because in all the disks I have saved my file. So here I'll be like you can see, I will be just now zooming in here. So when you've done with that all things, here I will be doing one thing. I will be just making this tag here, in which I will be writing my div class. So I'll be zoom in again so you can see clearly on the codes. So you can see I've done that. Now here I'll be writing div class name. Then I will be writing any of the class name. You can write like file name only. So here I'll be closing this tag. You have to do simply one thing, press enter here, and now down I will be writing my all the codes which I have to define here. So here I will be making this tag, in which I will be writing effect, and here you have to write key equals to frame. So here I can also write keyframe in one tag, but I am just writing it in colon so we can remember it is a keyframe tag. So here I will be writing effect dot key, and then after it I will be writing frame, which is in colon. So here I will be closing this tag. Then I will be just moving down simply and writing a tag which should be like play, and I will be just writing after it plugin equals to. Then I will be writing back. Now just I will be closing this and writing a tag which should be like play. Then I will be writing dot plugin. So right here dot plugin, then write dot back. Just close this tag now from here. Then I will be doing one thing. I will be just moving down here and writing a tag which should be like timeline text. Okay, so right here text, then you have to write equals to document. Now when you done that, close this, and here I will be writing timeline. So right here, and then write dot text, and then write dot document. When you've done with that, just I'll be closing this tag from here. Then I will be just moving down and then writing a tag which should be like document. Then I'll be writing fragment, so right here like that. Then I'll be just making this tag, in which I will be writing script. Close this here, and then I will be writing document. So just right here document dot fragments, here write that. Then I will be writing dot script. So when you've done that, close this tag from here. Now when you're done with that all things, I will be moving forward, then moving down again. Here I will be just writing a tag which should be just like here array. So here you have to change that to sale equals to int array. Okay, so here I'll be writing int array. So when you're done with that, I'll be closing this and I'll be writing same tags which I have written at the previously on. So right here, same tag here. So we can define these are the things which we are writing. Just take this a too small because we have written in tag capital A. Here I will be doing one thing, just I'll be making this tag here, and just take care about one thing when you are writing anything capital in your tag, so it will be small when you are writing in this curly bracket. If you do that, so it will be error and your code will be not ready here. So just I'll be now writing here like class name. Okay, so C should be capital. Here I'll be writing class name equals to, then here I will be writing editor. Now just close this. Here I will be writing class dot name dot editor, same things which I have written previously. Now just move down right here event. Here you have to change that to effect equals to view. So right here, then I will be writing that to like event dot effect dot view. Now when you're done with that all things, here I will be closing this file. Then I will be just moving down here and then I will be just writing a tag which should be just like here enter atomics, like this. So here I will be writing atomics. Then I will be just making this to equals to, and then here I will be writing website. So just write here. Then when you've done that, here I will be writing that to like enter dot atomics. Here I will be just writing dot atomics dot website. Then close this tag. Now when you're done with that, just I'll be moving down. Here I'll be writing audio, and then I'll be writing schedule, and here then I will be just writing that to a tag which will be just like here open. Then I will be just doing, and then here I will be writing a tag which should be like audio, and then I will be writing schedule dot open. Here I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which should be just like here context. So here I will be writing context image equals to, then I will be just writing that to a tag which should be just like here outline. Close this here by just writing, then I'll be writing context dot image dot outline. Then just close this here, and when you've done with that all thing, just I'll be moving forward here. Then I will be just moving here and then moving down and writing some of the other tags here like worklet service equals to, then I will be changing that to a tag which will be just like selection. So just write here. Then I will be just closing this tag here now. So just you have to erase this bar which we are just getting. Now here I will be writing worklet dot service, then write dot selection. So when you've done that, close this tag here, then move forward and then move here again, then press enter. Here I'll be writing animation animate equals to, then I will be changing that to function. When you've done that, here you have to write animation dot animate dot function, then close this here. So when you're done with that all thing, just move forward again like you have done. Then I will be just writing a tag here which will be like load listener. So write here like that, and then just there is spelling mistake. So here I will be doing one thing. Here I will be writing listener like that. Now just I'll be making this, and then here I will be writing JS. Here you have to close this and write a tag which will be like node dot listener dot, then I will be changing that to a tag which should be like JS. Here I will be just saving this file. So just move here and then save this file here. And now when you've done with that all things, just here I will be doing one thing. I will be moving down here, but we have to close this tag also. So here I will be writing closing curly bracket to close this. Here I will be moving down and writing object tag, then write here number equals to foreign. So here you have to write that. Now just close this and write here object dot number. So here write that, and now when you return this number, then I will be writing foreign again. So just close this here. Then I will be just saving this file by going to file and pressing save button. When you just save this file from here, then you have to move forward again, then move here and then move down. Here I will be just writing a tag which will be just like an option pointer. So just write this, and then I will be writing code. Close this here, I will be writing option dot pointer dot code. Here just I'll be taking this O to small, like we have written in tag small O. So just I'll be saving this file from here, and then I will be moving here and moving down. When I'm done with that, here I'll be writing performance right here, then write entry equals to, then change that to a tag which should be like div, like we have just used div tag at the top also here. So I'll be using same div tag here. Then I'll be writing performance like we have written previously on, and then entry and div again. So right here div, just close this tag. Now save this file from here, and then if I just show you in the Google Groups, our Google Arts and Culture project should be just ready, like I'm telling you in the starting when we are just starting our project. So if I open my Google Chrome, you can see that here it is, our arts and culture, like Google Arts and Culture project, which we have just made in Java successfully. You can see we are getting the sidebar, then we are just getting the explore, play, and then nearby and favorites button. Then we are also getting the search bar, and these are Google apps, and then we are also getting the Gmail icon from which you can see what the Gmail is about and all things like that. Then so here you can see we are just getting these all like puzzle, and then Google Arts and Culture games and everything. Then if I scroll down, you will be also getting like modern art, and then these all other things. Then we are getting the Let's Get Corny and these all projects. Here we are just getting Museum Explorer and that all like things. Here you can see that which we are just getting. Then this is just really long. You can see we are just getting these all things. So like that you can build your own Google Arts and Culture projects like we have just made. So these are the things which are really important in your professional life, which should be just really helpful to make full stack developer of every language which you learn. So you have to learn these all languages which we are just covering up. So you can just also be the full stack developer of that. You can also check my all the previous courses of that. But if you enjoy this video and if you learn more than enough things from that, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button here, and then also share this video with your friends so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks, and they can also land a job in future and become full stack developer of these all languages like you are just of previous languages. So if you want to check my previous courses of Python Django, you can check in my previous Python projects video at the starting, which I have just worked on, and then all the HTML and CSS videos also, and then after that you can also just cover up the videos of like other projects of which we have made of React loans and websites, and we have also made some of the JavaScript like things which are just very helpful for beginners. So you can check that all things also, because that are also really helpful for a beginner. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope you also enjoy this video also, like you check my all the previous projects and videos. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.